Friends, in Surah Safa, Allah Ta'ala says that we have protected humans from the influence of jinn. And whoever secretly listens to the conversations of angels, a burning meteor follows them. Regarding comets, you might have heard about the powerful star called comet in Urdu. Essentially, it is a celestial stone made of ice, dust, and rock. When it approaches the sun, it begins to melt due to the heat, releasing gas and dust, forming a brilliant tail that becomes visible on Earth. When observed from the ground, this comet presents a beautiful spectacle. These powerful stars usually come from deep space. If you ever witness such a magnificent comet in your lifetime, consider yourself fortunate. It's not an ordinary occurrence because their appearance is rare. For instance, Halley's Comet appears every 76 years, while other comets pass close to Earth after thousands of years. Even more astonishingly, these comets are associated with the extinction of dinosaurs. Friends, I'll explain more about comets in the video. Stay tuned. Science alert. The reason we and other creatures inhabit Earth is precisely because of these magnificent stars. In Islam, comets hold special significance, and not only in Islam but also in other heavenly religions like Judaism and Christianity. In the Old Testament of the Bible, it is referred to as the Star of Bethlehem. According to the Bible, during that time, wise men observed this star and associated it with the birth of Jesus. The arrival and birthplace of Jesus, peace be upon him, were known, and it is likely that it was the same star I just mentioned to you, the Halley's Comet. This comet appears every 76 years. According to Jewish tradition, it is called the Sword of God, because, as per Jewish accounts, 586 years before the arrival of Jesus, peace be upon him, during the destruction of Jerusalem by Babylon, this powerful comet appeared in the sky, bringing a message of devastation and calamity. Therefore, Jews consider it a divine sword, a sign of God. Interestingly, during the time of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, after his blessed birth, a similar comet appeared in the sky for 40 days. The companions observed it as a sign of Allah's help and success. However, we disregarded their warning and paid no attention. Now, let me share with you the most important and authentic source regarding its significance. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of this comet. After the demise of our beloved Prophet, this comet remained visible in the sky for a month. During this time, the companions observed it as a sign of grief and sorrow. Now, here's something astonishing. When you see stars in the sky, especially during such events, these are not ordinary stars. They are heavenly bodies. And during these times, they hold immense significance. I've mentioned this to you several times before. When you observe stars in the sky, especially during significant events, these are often comets. And during these moments, their appearance is associated with divine messages. So, pay attention to the celestial signs, for they reveal Allah's grand design. You will be amazed to know that when you see comets, you are witnessing extraordinary occurrences. These celestial events are not mere coincidences. They carry profound meanings. Keep your eyes on the sky, and you might witness more of these remarkable phenomena. Even these powerful stars, when they appear in the sky, have a remarkable journey. They have traveled through the same region thousands of years ago. Their journey is meticulously planned, and their light reaches us at the precise moment when they are either present or about to appear. Now, let me share with you an essential and authentic sign related to the arrival of Imam Mahdi. When he is very close, a brilliant star will become visible in the sky. Regarding this star, it is said that it will be the same comet, the Halley's Comet, that appears every 76 years. It will be a dazzling star, and after that, a tremendous upheaval will occur. According to tradition, a comet resembling a sword will appear in the sky, which will announce the defeat of the oppressor. Now, this comet will be unique. It will be associated with the emergence of Sufyani, a tyrant who will inflict extreme injustice upon the Muslims. Now, let me tell you about meteors. Allah has described them as weapons. There are 3 types of meteors. First, the complete stone meteors. Second, the stone and iron meteors. And third, the most special ones, which are made entirely of iron. These are the meteors associated with the tail of comets. When they approach the Earth's surface, they burn up due to the friction with the Earth's atmosphere. Their temperature can rise to several thousand degrees. Most of them burn up before reaching the Earth's surface, but some manage to reach the ground. Our Earth is traveling through space, and when it passes close to rocky chasms, the Earth's gravity pulls them toward itself. As they enter the Earth's atmosphere, they experience rapid friction and heat up significantly. These meteors, which are mostly composed of iron, are like fiery swords descending from the sky. We often remain unaware of their presence, but they play a crucial role. Our Earth's journey through the vast expanse continues, and when it passes near these rocky chasms, a significant number of meteors are pulled toward it. Most of them burn up before reaching the surface, but their impact is essential. Now, let me share an astonishing fact. When you see stars in the sky, especially during significant events, these are often comets. During these times, their appearance holds immense significance. Keep your eyes on the sky, and you might witness more of these remarkable phenomena. Large meteorites, which are significantly bigger and heavier than ordinary rocks, can cause widespread devastation when they strike the Earth. For instance, approximately 66 million years ago, a meteorite impact led to the extinction of dinosaurs. This meteorite was much larger than Mount Everest. It caused such immense destruction that there is no comparable example. Even before we could blink our eyes, the world turned into ashes. In 2013, a 20-meter-wide meteorite struck a city in Russia. Upon entering the atmosphere, it transformed into a luminous fireball, emitting a supersonic roar. The sound was so intense that it generated shockwaves, damaging around 7,000 buildings and injuring about 1,000 people. This meteorite exploded at an altitude of about 30 kilometers, releasing energy equivalent to approximately 500 kilotons. This energy release was 30 times greater than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. After burning up, the meteorite's shape changed significantly. Imagine if such a stone were to rain down on a settlement during a storm. What would happen to the people of the community? Consider the fate of the people of Prophet Lot, peace be upon him, when the meteorites, inscribed with their names, fell upon them. These meteorites are deep space travelers. Initially, I recited a verse from Surah Safat, where the jinn are described as being burned by a fiery spark. Indeed, this burning spark is none other than a meteorite. It approaches Earth from deep space. When it enters the Earth's atmosphere, it experiences rapid friction and heats up significantly. Most of these meteors burn up before reaching the surface, but their impact is essential. Even NASA and other space agencies continuously monitor asteroids and meteorites to ensure that no rocky chasm poses a threat to Earth. However, even NASA cannot predict these meteors that come from deep space. Initially, I mentioned the ayat from Surah Safat, where the jinn are described as being burned by a fiery spark. Indeed, this burning spark is none other than a meteorite. It approaches Earth from deep space. When it enters the Earth's atmosphere, it experiences rapid friction and heats up significantly. Most of these meteors burn up before reaching the surface, but their impact is essential. Keep an eye on the sky, and you might witness more of these remarkable phenomena. Friends, if you like the video, please like and share it. We will meet with a new video. Until then, Allah is the protector.